you guys are on vacation. You guys are here to have fun. So, like I'm saying, the only thing that you guys have to worry about it today is only smile and have fun. Are you guys gonna help me out with it? Alright, good thing. You guys have been to 50 million. I'm saying, there's also more aircraft on the area. You'll see we do have a Boeing 29 that crashed on the lake back in the 1940s. That's the Hoover Dam workers used to go there to gamble and clean that place. But they used to go there. It was actually a small place where the workers used to sneak by. It was a lake, I'm telling you. So the workers used to go there and sneak down and gamble at it. So that's how this casino actually started in something illegal. There's gonna be a picture of the Hoover Dam with that code right here. You still can use it once in a while. And now, in front of you guys, you got these states. Those are the ones that produce it. Do you guys see the white colors on the rocks? That's where the water level used to be. Incredible, right? Right now, like I'm telling you, we are 40% capacity of water. We are only 52 feet away. We don't have drinkable water anymore. And only 122 feet away, we don't have enough water to produce electricity for the Hoover Dam. That's how low at a river. Those were the only two times that they have used the Hoover Dam. I mean the spillways. You see Hoover Dam, you see that. So it's really sad to our government actually never paid those families. So that's why I always say there's actually more than 112 workers that died in Hoover Dam. But now, you guys have been to two places at the same time before?